Reinvesting in the community is what we are trying to do, not only by maintaining and keeping the jobs that we had, but adding more onto the payroll is keeping the community healthy. Reinvesting into this business instead of taking a paycheck, taking that and putting it back into here to provide a better service, a larger hospital, one where wait times are reduced, ones where access to new services are available.
Every time we meet with a patient, every time we meet with a client, we're listening, we're gathering information. We hear what people want, we see what the dog or cat needs, and it might not be something that we have right then and there.
I think the biggest thing that we see across the state that is lacking is specialists. And so we are working very hard to recruit specialists. And we have an ophthalmologist joining us here very shortly. So we'll have the only boarded full-time ophthalmologist here in the state. And we are working very hard to get an internal medicine specialist. And that will play off of the oncologist that we have here who does a lot of internal medicine.
But not only that, exotics, right? Pocket pets. People are always calling, can we see their hamster? Can we see their guinea pig, their snake, chicken? And so the new veterinarian we have coming on loves exotics. So that hopefully will be in her wheelhouse and we'll be able to more easily provide that service.